I know what you did last night. I called you up and you declined. I smell perfume, but it ain't mine. It's not okay, but it's alright. Cause you tell so many lies, I gotta let you go. Now you know what it's like to be all alone. Tell me, how you gonna hurt the one that loves you the most? Cause your tears don't cry a river, go let it flow. Don't want no cry, baby, I'm not done, let him go. Boy, I ain't the same girl I was before. You're only crying cause I don't want you back no more. Boy, you had your chance, and you can keep on crying, baby. I know you've been lying, baby. So you can keep on crying, baby. I don't know what you're waiting for. I'll pat your bags outside the door. No, I don't wanna sit and talk. Can you hurry up? I'm bored. Cause you're telling so many lies, I gotta let you go. Now you know what it's like to be all alone. Tell me, how you gonna hurt the one that loves you the most? Yeah, cause your tears don't cry a river, don't let it flow. Don't want no cry, baby, I'm not done, let him go. Boy, I ain't the same girl I was before. You're only crying cause I don't want you back no more. Sure, you had your chance, and you can keep on crying, baby. I know you've been lying, baby. So you can keep on crying, baby. You can keep on crying, baby boy. I know you've been lying, baby. So you can keep on crying, baby.
Let's learn No Cry Baby. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Niels Poulsen. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, low improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn No Cry Baby. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, quickly step your right next to your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a rolling vine into a quarter chassé. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you chassé to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side to face 12 o'clock. When you finish this chassé, you want your hips slightly pointed to the right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your rock to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a jazz box that's traveling backwards. So you're going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right, and then step back with your left. And as you step back with your left, you want to slightly angle your body to the left. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to start your quarter turn as you step back with your left, angling your body towards that 130 diagonal. And then you're going to finish your quarter turn as you step your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. You're going to touch your left next to your right and then clap your hands twice. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your backwards jazz box. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a syncopated vine to the left. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, Step your left foot to the left side and then do a heel jack, placing your right heel into the right diagonal and hold. We're now doing a ball cross, so you're going to quickly step your right next to your left, cross your left over your right, and step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step, crossing your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just touched and did our double clap. So you're going to do your syncopated vine. So it's 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to shuffle forward with your right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. You're now going to rock forward with your left, recover back onto your right, and you're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step half pivot. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock to the right. So it's side rock, recover, ball side, touch, quarter, half, quarter, chasse. Now it's your cross, back, back, cross, back, quarter, touch, clap, clap, side, behind, side, heel, hold, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, rock, recover, coaster, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking to the right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. After this coaster cross, you'll rock to the right and start the dance over again. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a front-facing wall. You're going to dance all the way up until count 30, where you do your left rock, recover. Now, what we're going to do is, so we can end facing 12 o'clock, instead of doing a coaster cross, we're going to do a half turning shuffle over our left shoulder. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to stomp forward with our right foot, and you're going to throw your hands up to the sides, and that is how you will end the dance. So let's just try that ending with some counts. We would have just done our shuffle forward, so you're going to do your rock. It's 5, 6, 7, and 8, step. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice how it flows. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock. So it's side rock, recover, ball side, touch, rolling vine into a chasse. Now your jazz box back. Jazz box quarter, turn with a touch and clap. Side, behind, side, heel, hold, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, coaster, cross, start over. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side rock, recover, ball side, touch, rolling vine with a quarter chasse. Now your jazz box back. Jazz box quarter turn with a touch and clap. Syncopated vine with your heel jack. Hold, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Rock, recover in your coaster cross. Rock to the side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now you're going to know it's your final wall because the music is going to change drastically on that final front wall. So when you start it, it's going to sound slower. There's going to be less lyrics and just more music. When you're dancing that is going to be your cue that you are going to change the last 2 counts from a coaster cross to a half shuffle to the front, and that is how you will end the dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn No Cry Baby. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I know what you did last night. I called you up and you declined. I smell perfume, but it ain't mine. It's not okay, but it's alright. 'Cause you're telling so many lies, I gotta let you go. Now you know what it's like to be all alone. Tell me, how you gonna hurt the one that loves you the most? 'Cause your tears don't cry a river, go let it flow. Don't know no cry, baby, I'm not gonna let him go. Boy, I ain't the same girl I was before. You're only crying 'cause I don't want you back no more. Boy, you had your chance, and you can keep on crying, baby. I know you've been lying, baby. So you can keep on crying, baby. I don't know what you're waiting for. I'll pat your bags outside the door. No, I don't wanna sit and talk. Can you hurry up, I'm bored? 'Cause you're telling so many lies, I gotta let you go. Now you know what it's like to be all alone. Tell me, how you gonna hurt the one that loves you the most? Yeah, 'cause your tears don't cry a river, don't let it flow. Don't want no cry, baby, I'm not gonna let him go. Boy, I ain't the same girl I was before. You're only crying 'cause I don't want you back no more. Sure, you had your chance, and you can keep on crying, baby. I know you've been lying, baby. So you can keep on crying, baby. You can keep on crying, baby boy. I know you've been lying, baby. So you can keep on crying, baby.